Hello guys, so today I will talk about as we know that two websites are most important for online businesses. What first is Shopify and versus WordPress, which is best. So we will look at this is a logo of WordPress and this is a logo of Shopify. So Shopify versus WordPress, which is best? This is a question a lot of business find themselves asking, and in this post I'm going to tackle in the depth examination of both platforms and their key component features and the reason. By the end of this comparison you should have a much better idea of which platform will serve your business needs best, what the best alternative to either platform. Or let's go started. What is Shopify? Shopify is a web application that has specially designed to allow merchants to build and launch their own online store themes that can be customized to meet individual business branding requirements, and it allows to both digital goods to be sold. So this is the follow look of the Shopify. One of the key ideas behind the Shopify is that user without any technical or design skills don't create a store themselves, don't know how to code in order to use the platform. However, Shopify also allows you to edit HTML and CSS of your website, which means that those who do not have coding skills will be able to customize their store more extremely extensively. Because Shopify is a hosted solution, everything runs on a Shopify servers, so you don't need to worry about buying web hosting or installing mild software anywhere. The idea is that pretty much everything you need to build and run your store happens out of the box. That said, can be customized. Shopify meet more best a requirement through Shopify have you can go through. And now I'm talking about the WordPress. What is WordPress? There are two different versions of WordPress: hosted WordPress and self-hosted WordPress. Hosted WordPress available on wordpress.com is likely Shopify as software as a service SaaS tool. For monthly fees are ranging from $4 to $45, you get access to broad range of features which enable you to build and maintain a simple blog website or e-commerce. This is a look of a WordPress website. Self-hosted WordPress. Self-hosted WordPress is a piece of software that you download from wordpress.org and then install on your own web servers. It's open source, meaning that code behind is freely available and may be easily tweaked. In the practice, this means that site build a WordPress can be customized to a huge degree. It is extensively flexible tool that in the hand of right website developer a view the installation of the right plugin can be adapted to meet the requirement of just about any web design. This is a look of WordPress. You can install WordPress on your servers for free. So this is my today's lecture. Thank you. If any kind of queries you may ask in my comment section. Thank you.